guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, we are finishing what we have done before. If you watch my previous video, you know how I made this beautiful neck beading. The link is down below. Just check down below, see the link there. I've already put it there. If you have not watched it, for the first time of coming to my page, you are most welcome. Just sit down and see what I'm going to do with these beautiful two bills. I have to cut it out. Oh, it's catching. Okay, so in this, okay, you pick this one, you pick the round pearl one, and this one, that make it 3. And you measure where your thread stop like this. You put it where the bead stop, leave a small space, and you draw it out. You see how beautiful it is. You pick another one again. You picking it one after the other. You pick this one 2 and this one 1, but the round one will be at the middle. You put it. Don't need to measure again, because the first one, just follow the straight line that we already used to start the first one. Pick the pearl, pick this one, and put it this way. Leave a small space and draw it out. Have you seen it? You pick this one again, pick the round one, pick the other one, insert it on your fabric, leave a small space and draw it out. You pick another one, pick the round one, pick this one again, put inside your fabric, leave a small space and draw it out. That's how going to go round the neck. Have you seen it? You pick another one, this middle one, this other one, put inside your fabric, leave a small space and draw it out. And make sure the space you are leaving are the same thing. The space you are leaving, you have to be accurate. Do you understand? Okay, so pick another one again. You just be going like that round the neck. Just be going that way. Have you seen it? How beautiful they are. Just be picking them. You can see the space I'm leaving are the same thing. As you can see, the space are the same. Make sure the space you are leaving to now accurate, so the bead will look so fine and be sitting well on the fabric. If you are new, you are welcome to my class. Thank you for joining, and please share and comment. Turn on this notification bell so I can get notified anytime I post a new video. You'll be the first person to know that, yeah, Tori has posted a new video. Just be going this way, and make sure the line you are leaving, the space you are leaving, are accurate. Oh God, let's go. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. You pick the round this and this. Please share my videos for your loved ones and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Tori for Beading. This is the end of the class. Thank you for watching to this moment. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Thank you. And this is what I'll be doing so far. See how beautiful it is. Please give a fat thumbs up if this video was helpful. Thank you. See you guys on the next class. Bye.